we are on the way of understanding if-else statement. Now let us write another algorithm to test whether a given number is even or odd. To test if a given number is even or odd. So what is the logic? How I can understand if a given number is even or odd? See, there is a number given to you. If the number is divisible by 2, then it is even. If the num is divisible by 2, then I can say it is even number. If the number is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 2, then I can say then it is odd. So like this I am taking simple statements. See, I am taking, let me take one number. For example, I am taking 4. 4 is a number. Is it divisible by 2 or not? If you divide 4 by 2 and take the remainder, what happens? You can understand whether it is divisible or not. So 4, divide 4 by 2 and take the remainder. For this purpose, I can write 4 percent 2. Percent is an operator that is also known as a modulus operator. This modulus operator gives the remainder of division. It will not give the coefficient, it will not give the total result. What it gives me is remainder only. So divide 4 by 2, 2 2s are 4, so 2 goes in 4 2 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 4, remainder here is 0. So I can say this given number 4 is even number. Fine. Now how to know the odd number? Suppose I am taking 5 and 5 is odd number or even number, I want to know. So divide 5 by 2 and take the remainder. Now here percentage operator I am using. This is also known as a modulus operator. What this modulus operator does? It will divide this 5 by 2 and gives me the remainder. So 2 2s are 4. 2 goes to 2 times 2 2s are 4 and 5 minus 4. Here the remainder I am getting is 1 I am getting. So remainder is here not equal to 0. That means I am getting 1 as remainder. It is not equal to 0. When the number is not divisible by 2, that means 5 is not divisible by 2. So this 5 is called odd number. So please remember, this is the logic to know whether a number is even or odd. What about 0? Please remember, 0 does not come under even number or odd number. 0 is neutral. It is 0 only. 0 is of course divisible by 2, but it should not be taken as an even number. Why? Because even number series will start from 2. That means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are all even numbers. 0 is not under even number series. So we are having the 3 combinations here. First combination is 0. Second combination is even number. Third combination is odd number. So these 3 I wanted to check. So what I am doing is I am writing my algorithm. First step is start. Second step, I have to input the number which I want to test. The third step is if the given number is equal to 0, double equal to operator will compare this num and 0. So if the given number is equal to 0, then print it is 0. That means it is neither even nor odd. Else if otherwise, if the given number is divisible by 2, that means num percent 2 is equal to 0. That means it is divisible by 2. Then print it is even number. Else otherwise you can directly print that it is a odd number. Why? Because only 3 combinations, either it must be 0 or even or odd. So in this manner you can write the if statement in the algorithm. Then our task is completed. So last step is stop. Now let us convert this algorithm into a Python program. I have opened a Python guy IDLE. So here file, new file, a blank sheet will open. So here I can type my Python program. Comment line I am typing. To test if a given number is even or odd. Step number 1 in the algorithm, start. So start is not written, not converted into our program statement. The next step, input num. I have to accept num value from the keyboard. So int of input, enter a number. Now this input function will display enter a number and wait for your input. Whatever the integer number you are giving, that integer number it will accept as a string. Then that string is converted into integer by int function, and that string is converted into integer. That integer is returned into num. So you are having this num, and now let me write the if statement. If num is equal to 0 colon, and after colon you can come into the next line and 4 spaces are released automatically, and here you can type. So print function I have to use to display the output. It is 0. That means it is neither positive, neither even nor odd. So for that purpose, 0 is neither even nor odd. So I am displaying it is 0. Else if I have to write, else if num percent 2, that means I am dividing a number by 2 and taking the remainder, that remainder is equal to 0. Then I have to write that number is even number. Else I have to write to print that number is odd number. Now in Python we know already else plus if, you should not write like this. You have to combine else plus if and you have to write elif. So if the number is equal to 0, it will display it is 0. Elif means else if number is divisible by 2. That means what? Divide number by 2 and the remainder is 0. Then it is divisible by 2. Then it will display that number is even. Otherwise, that means if the number is not divisible by 2 and not 0, then it will display number is odd. So this is our program. I am saving this program, file save, and I am saving this as even underscore odd. So even underscore odd dot py it will put, and I am saving this in E drive, and let me save. It is saved. Run module. When you run, it will ask you for the number. Enter a number. So here I am entering 7. It is displaying 7 is odd. So what is happening when you enter 7? Please observe, when you enter 7, this num value is 7. If 7 is equal to 0, is 7 and 0 equal? No, 7 is not equal to 0. So condition is false. Then this is not executed. It will come to elif part and it will test the second condition. 7% 2 is equal to 0. That means divide 7 by 2 is the remainder 0. So 2 goes in the 7 3 times. 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 1. Remainder is not 0. So this condition is also false. So this statement is not executed. You will come to the next else part. So here condition is not there. You will directly come to this else part and it will execute this statement. As a result, it will display 7 is odd. So that is what you have seen here. 7 is odd in the output. So this is a program to test the given number is even or odd.